Hi everyone. Today I will share you how to start admin server from Node Manager using scripting tool. First, these are the steps you need to follow. First, you have to start Node Manager and open middleware home under bin directory. Execute scripting tool script. After that, use these two commands and the properties like address, port number, username, password, domain location, domain name and execute it, then the admin server is successfully run. So I will show you in practical way. First uh, go to the middleware home and type enter. Okay, then again go to domain home because you have to start node manager. Node manager is available in domain home. So simply you type and start node manager. Next, to start WSLST scripting tool command. Next, copy this connect command and click enter. Next, nm start and admin server. Below this, admin server. Okay, what is the problem? Admin server, starting server, admin server, trace bug error, error starting server. This problem means already the admin server is starting. That's why it's on. So I am not starting admin server from domain home. I am using node manager to start. I will show you in here. Use URL of WebLogic. So it is successfully running state. Sorry. And enter. See, successfully start. I'm not using any